Hello guys! It's me again, your Madam Cusinera. So this is my last menu for our anniversary celebration and this will be a tuna pasta. So if you wanna know how I am making my tuna pasta, please keep on watching. So ang kakailanganin natin for our tuna pasta are 1 pack of spaghetti pasta, 2 cans of sterilized cream or any cream, 2 cans of tuna, 1 can of mushroom, and 170 grams of evaporated milk, onion, and garlic. So, let's start making cooking our pasta. Guys, ito na po yung finished product natin na tuna pasta. I hope that you learned from this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. And kindly share also this video to your family and friends. So that's it for today. I hope that you are all doing well. I hope that every one of you is safe and healthy. So God bless everyone. Bye!